From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming May 28th Forex session. Pair in front of you is the Euro US dollar, and it is, of course, the center of the Forex world right now, as all of the or most of the bad headlines, of course, are coming out of the EU. So traders have been punishing the euro as of late. Rating agencies are starting to carve up the Spanish banks, which suggests that perhaps the trouble is starting to move from Greece into Spain. It's a little early yet to call that, but it definitely seems to be a concern. Looking at price action, it's been absolutely dreadful for a couple weeks now. And you can see that something interesting happened on Thursday and Friday as we formed shooting stars, two of them in a row, as a matter of fact, at the bottom of a downtrend. While most people were taught to look for shooting stars at the top of an uptrend, the fact that it's at the bottom of a downtrend and right at the 125 level, which we have as support, suggests that the last couple days have seen action like this, where the bulls have come in and tried to rally and they just are fading more and more. Because of this, it does look like the market's leaning on 125, and a daily close sub 125 should send this pair much lower, probably 120 before it's all said and done. The breaking of the top of these candles is normally a very bullish sign, and under most circumstances, I would actually take that long trade. However, having said that, there are just simply far too many headlines coming out of Europe that are negative and far too many things that could go wrong. The last thing you want to do is have a long position turn around and suddenly go against you in the middle of the night, and that is exactly the concern. Because of that, I see 130 as a lid on this market going forward for quite some time, and it would take a break above that level for me to be truly convinced. This is the pair that has hopium every once in a while where traders come in and just start buying up. The next thing you know, another headline comes out and then straight back down. So there is possibility for a bounce, but nothing in the headlines over the weekend suggested that we would see any major changes in Europe right away. So we could see a continued move lower in this pair.